This section examines the electronic fuel injection intake systems for petrol engines. The intake system is part of the fuel system. Its main function on a petrol engine is to deliver the required amount of air-fuel mixture. Air is filtered by passing through an air cleaner. Information from many parts of the engine is fed into an electronic control unit, which then determines how much fuel should be injected for those exact conditions. Fuel is supplied under pressure from an electric pump to electronically controlled injectors. There are two basic electronic fuel injection systems, single point and multi-point. In the single-point system, the intake manifold carries an air-fuel mixture. Fuel is sprayed into the top center of the intake manifold. This manifold is similar to that on a carbureted system. In a multi-point system, the intake manifold carries air only. Multi-point injection has a fuel injector in each inlet port going to each cylinder. Petrol is sprayed into each port in front of the intake valve. The intake system can be crucial in increasing engine output. This can be done by increasing volumetric efficiency, that is, by increasing the amount of air that enters the cylinders. In fuel injection systems, this partly occurs automatically because of the increased efficiency of fuel injection compared to carbureted systems. Output can also be improved by using large, free-flowing intake manifolds, and by using larger valves to admit more charge into the combustion chamber. Another method uses forced induction or supercharging to pressurize the intake system and force more air into the cylinders.